If you're looking to earn some extra income by promoting services that are highly valuable to entrepreneurs and small business owners, then becoming a LegalZoom affiliate might be a great opportunity for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to resell LegalZoom services as an affiliate and start earning commissions with little effort. LegalZoom is known for offering essential services like LLC formation, business tax ID, trademarks, and legal document reviews, services that are crucial for new and growing businesses. As an affiliate, you will promote these services and earning commissions each time someone signs up through your referral link. To get started, head over to the LegalZoom website and scroll to the bottom where you will find the affiliate program link in the footer. Alternatively, you can search online for LegalZoom's affiliate program. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to the affiliate network page, usually through a platform like CG Affiliate, formerly Commission Junction. There, you will need to create an account, fill out a simple application, and wait for approval. The approval process is typically quick and straightforward. Once you're approved, you will gain access to your affiliate dashboard. This is where you'll find your unique referral links, banners, and promotional materials that you can embed in your content. Now you can start promoting LegalZoom services across various platforms, whether that's through blog posts, YouTube tutorials, social media, or email campaigns. For example, if you create a YouTube video on how to form an LLC, you can include your affiliate link in the description. Or if you're running a blog post about small business taxes, you can promote their EIN service with your link. Every time someone clicks your affiliate link and makes a purchase through LegalZoom, you will earn a commission. There's no need to worry about customer service, processing orders, or managing fulfillment. LegalZoom takes care of all of that for you. The best part is that LegalZoom service are in high demand, and because they are trusted by millions of business owners, you don't need to convince people to use them. You simply need to get your affiliate link in front of the right audience. This is a great opportunity if you're a content creator, blogger, YouTuber, or even a digital marketer with an audience that's interested in starting or growing a business. It's a passive income stream that can complement your existing business or content strategy. If this video helped you understand how to resell LegalZoom services as an affiliate, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more affiliate marketing tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or want more information about affiliate programs that pair well with LegalZoom service.